Hello everyone, your day planner forecast brought to you by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven. They're located at 5847 Getwell Road in Suite A8, right across from the water tower. Relax and enjoy the birds. Just relax and enjoy the late summer-like weather that we're going to have today. 8 a.m. mostly sunny skies, temperature around 70 degrees. At noon, I'm expecting the temperature to be 85 degrees with sunny skies. And then at 5 p.m., we're up to 88 degrees. Skies still sunny, winds from the northeast, 5 to 10 miles per hour today.